This video is going to show you how to solve a system of equations, but first we're going to need to use our common base method. So here's my question. I first want to get a common base. So I'm going to work one equation at a time. So I'm only going to work with this top equation first. So I'm going to write 8 as a power of 2 because 2 cubed is 8. So I have 2 to the x plus 2y is equal to 2 to the third. Now that I have common bases, I can set my exponents equal to each other. So my equation is x plus 2y equals 3. And that's the first one. Now I had a second one, so I'm going to work with this bottom equation. So I want to write this as a power of 4. So I'm going to keep the 4 to the 2x plus y. And I'm going to write 1 as 4 to the 0 because anything to the 0 power gives me 1. So now I have a common base of 4. I'm going to take my exponents and set them equal to each other. 2x plus y equals 0. And now I have a system of equations that I'm going to solve. So my first equation is x plus 2y equals 3. And my second equation is 2x plus y equals 0. Remember, there are two methods for solving a system of equations. You can use elimination or you can use substitution. For this one, I'm going to use elimination. I'm going to multiply my top equation by -2 because I'm going to cancel my x's. So each piece gets multiplied by that -2. So -2x minus 4y equals -6. It's my first equation. And my second equation didn't change. 2x plus y equals 0. And now I'm going to add them together. When I add them together, my x's cancel because -2x plus 2x is 0. I have -4y plus y, which gives me -3y. And I have -6 plus 0, which gives me -6. So to solve for y, I'm going to divide both sides by -3. So y equals 2. But remember, this was a system of equations, so I need both an x and a y. So I'm going to take my first equation, x plus 2y equals 3, and I'm going to substitute in that y value we just found. So x plus 2 times 2 equals 3. 2 times 2 gives me 4, and I'm going to subtract 4 on both sides. So x equals -1. You can leave it just like this, or if you wanted to, you can write it as a coordinate point, remembering that x comes first and y comes second.